What's up, blockheads, and welcome to the episode where we're going to be deciding who gets a brand new, Snell-rated, handcrafted Shoei RF-SR motorcycle helmet. Brought to you in part by Get Lowered Cycles. Alright, so what's up, guys? Today's video is going to be announcing the Blockhead Patron that I'm going to randomly pick to receive a brand new Shoei RF-SR motorcycle helmet. If you guys don't know about this is your first time seeing the video, basically this is my Shoei RF-SR. However, I teamed up with Get Lowered Cycles. If you guys are fans of the channel, if you've watched any of the stuff at all from the channel, they have been a long-time partner. They've always taken care of the Blockhead fam, the Blockhead crew. You guys be sure to go check them out. But basically partnered up with them, and we are going to be giving away brand new Shoei RF-SR to a randomly drawn Blockhead patron. So if this is y'all's first time getting in on this or seeing this, basically we have this thing that we call the Block Box. Every month or so I put together a bunch of items, random goodies, and I give it away back to the community to a Blockhead patron. And all you have to do to be entered into that is to basically sign up for Patreon to help support the creation of content. At the end of the month, whenever I decide to give away the Block Box or the Blockhead bike build, which as you guys can see here, I'm currently working on a motorcycle to give away. This is a 2017 Honda Grom. The wheels are currently off, sent to powder, pulled out the bearings and all that stuff. You guys can keep up with that through Patreon as well. It's what I call the Blockhead bike build. So this is season 1, and going to be giving away this Honda Grom the beginning of next month, so the beginning of October. All you have to do is be a Blockhead patron for that as well. If you guys are interested in joining in on this, be sure to go check out patreon.com/Blockhead Moto. Yeah, basically the way it works is if you're a Blockhead patron and you're helping support the creation of content, I choose to randomly give away certain items to people, basically my way of giving back to the community. It's grown and grown and grown. It just keeps on getting bigger and bigger, and that's all thanks to you guys. So thank y'all so much. I greatly appreciate the continued support. You all are what make giving away a motorcycle helmet like a Shoei, you know, top of the line Snell-rated helmet possible. You guys are what make giving away a Honda Grom possible. So can't thank you guys enough. So with the Block Box, in addition to the helmet, basically we have what I like to call like the main item, right? So the main item for the Block Box this time around is the Shoei RF-SR. And then I like to throw some other things into it. So we're gonna be throwing in a couple of Blockhead stickers, some little die cut stickers. I'll throw in some Miss Blockhead stickers as well. Also going to throw in a Blockhead key tag. So ride safe, stay vigilant on the back, Blockhead on the front. That is brought to you guys by Moto Mines. So if you guys want to scoop up one of those, be sure to check out motomines.com. I'll drop the link in the description below. And additionally, I also throw in what I call the golden ticket, and that is a Blockhead swing arm decal. So boom, that right there. I'll also throw in one of these little guys, a little Blockhead. What else? I've actually got some cool stuff from Sena that I'll throw in. So let's throw in cool reflective sticker from Sena. They've worked with the channel a lot. If you guys don't know about Sena, be sure to go check them out, Sena.com. Throw in one of these red stickers as well. And I'll also throw in a Sena hat. How's that sound? Brand new Sena snapback. Also, I usually try to throw in like something random. So let's dig through here. I'm sure I got like a innovative research. I don't know what that is. We got a suppressors company, but that's kind of cool. Not everybody likes guns. You know what? I'll throw in, boom, we'll do a koozie from DK Customs. Throw that in. So there you have it. There's all your items for the Block Box. You've got a brand new Shoei RF-SR. So whenever I pick the winner, I'm going to get in touch with them. I'm going to see what size they wear, and then we're going to have a Shoei RF-SR delivered to you in your size and your choice of color. That's pretty awesome, right? And then in addition, I'm going to be shipping all the rest of this stuff to you. So Sena hat, DK Customs koozie, a couple of Sena stickers, Blockhead key tag, little Blockhead emblem dude sticker, the golden ticket, basically a swing arm decal, a couple of Miss Blockhead stickers, and a couple of Blockhead stickers. I guess we're to the point of randomly drawing somebody. So let me move this out of the way. I've got a spreadsheet all set up on the computer. Let's open that up and get to randomly drawing. All right, so here I have a spreadsheet all set up with all the names of the people that are entered. This is for the months of July and August of 2018, and then basically we're doing the drawing, beginning of this month after Patreon has processed stuff. So we basically have our number range. We've got the patron's name, the entries, the first entry, and the last entry, and that goes all the way through to the very bottom. What we're going to do is we're going to get a random number generator. I'm going to randomly generate a number. We're going to find that number, that range, and then match it up to the person, and then that's the person that will receive the Shoei RF-SR or the block box. So random number generator we got right here. So range minimum is going to be 1, maximum, got to find what the maximum is going to be. Said if you guys are interested in joining in on this, check out the link in the description below, patreon.com/Blockhead Moto. All right, so we got 10,994, so 10,994. All right, so that is our range, 1 and 10,994. As soon as I hit generate, it is going to generate a random number, and then we will find that person in the list here. So generate 3,157. Let's find 3,157. Side note, thank you guys all so much for being a part of this. I greatly appreciate it. So awesome. 3,157 right here, which is Mike Park. Is that right? Yep. There you go. Mike Park. Congratulations, man. You are the randomly selected person for this month's block box, or for the July and August block box. So awesome. I will be reaching out to you. Yeah, so I'll basically need your helmet size for Shoei, which I'll walk you through all that if you're unfamiliar with it. I'm gonna need what color you want because they offer that RF-SR and I want to say 8 colors. And then I'm also going to need what shirt size you wear, because with the block box I also do offer your choice of shirt from the Blockhead Shop. Most people end up going with either the logo tee or the 93 Dead Dinos tee. But yeah, and then I'm gonna need your address obviously to send all this to you, send the helmet to you. So yeah, congratulations, man. That's awesome. Once again, thank all of you guys for participating and joining in. So the block box is open to international blockheads, so that's all around the world. Basically, we will ship anywhere. And the Blockhead bike build for, the motorcycles, like I said, giving away this Grom here beginning of next month, currently building it out, but that is limited to the contiguous 48 United States. So basically the continental 48 contiguous, sorry, not including Alaska and Hawaii. So sorry guys. Just so you guys are aware of this as well, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be keeping that range from July and August, and we're also going to be adding the month of September to the Blockhead bike build. So that list that was basically set right there, we're going to add an additional month. That will be the selection range for doing the drawing for the Blockhead bike build. There's going to be a couple more videos regarding that. Like I said, I recently dropped off the wheels for powder. This is part of the hub and the bearings and all the parts of the wheels. Got new bearings in, got new bolts on the way for the rotors, sprocket, all that stuff. Got exhaust, new chain. I got a tuner for it. So there's a lot of stuff coming up for the Grom build. So like I said, if you guys want to be part of that, become a Blockhead patron, join up. It's become just such an amazing, awesome community. The interaction with you guys, talking to y'all, weighing in, getting y'all's opinion on stuff. It's awesome to be able to, post up something like, hey guys, what do y'all think of this? And y'all respond in force. Like, it is just seriously awesome to be able to have that, sense of community. So if you guys want to get in on it, you want to be a part of it, you're more than welcome. I've set it at the absolute lowest amount that I can possibly set it at, which is $1. Anyways, congratulations again to Mike. I will be in touch. Stay tuned for the announcement for what's in the next block box. It is going to be something awesome as well, continuing with the theme here of it being awesome. You know what I'm saying? And that's, like I said, once again, thanks to you guys. The whole idea behind this is to give back to the community. Man, it's amazing to be able to do the things that we're doing because of you guys, giving away, Shoeis, giving away GoPros, giving away motorcycles. So once again, big thanks to all you guys out there. Big thanks to your Blockhead patrons. Big thanks to all you subscribers. We just, recently went past 100,000 subscribers, and I cannot thank you guys enough. I got a special video coming up for you guys regarding that. But yeah, life has been busy. between, you know, I got a full-time job, you know, this whole motovlog thing is a hobby, but it's slowly starting to take more and more time, and it's getting a little more serious. So I guess we're gonna see where it continues to go, but I'm not setting any expectations. You know, we're just having fun with it. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. I know a lot of you guys have reached out and, you know, told me how the channel has impacted you, and it really warms my heart every time I hear that. So it's awesome to be able to give back to you guys, you know, back to the community that makes all this possible. So thank you guys once again. I feel like I always start to say thank you way too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it off there. Plus, it's hot as hell in this garage. Not having this fan pointed at me is killer, but we don't want all that wind noise. Anyways, once again, congratulations, Mike. If you guys have any questions, be sure to post them up in the comments down below. Like I said, check out the link down in the description, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If y'all aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button as well. Hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. It says it on the back of here. You know what? I feel like that's a good opportunity to show you guys. Sorry, Mike, I opened your key tag. Ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. I will catch you guys later. Deuces. That works out really well. I should start doing that with key tags from now on. All right. See you guys.